tired of switching to G mode or a game shift mode, the Alien software doesn't work and it doesn't launch properly. To install that light version of Alienware that you can take control of your G shift and fan, you have to type alien fan control GitHub. And then once you do that, they're going to be the first search result. And once you have that one, you're going to have this page, GUI control, which is amazing. I personally like the Alien GUI because it's super fast and you can take control of the fan control and the G mode. And the good thing is it works with the same button as it worked with the Alien software. So you can press the G mode and then it turns on the G mode there. Once you hit it again, you will go to manual mode.